Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Showed up at the shop today. I seen this guy tinkering with this V50 a few days ago. But when I got to the shop, first thing I noticed was this water pump laying on the ground, seized. So, looks like a Volvo fitted water pump. The first thing I asked them was, did this cause timing to jump? And they said, yep. I asked them what car it was off. They said this beautiful 2007 V50. 15-hour head job because they decided to use a water pump that was purchased off of eBay. And it didn't even last 30,000 miles. Seized, destroyed the head, cars down for maintenance. 2002 Mazda Tribune. It's got some leak issues, something around the timing cover, and possibly a power steering pump or transmission leak. So I'm gonna come under here and remove this little cover, which looks like it's got half of its bolts missing already, but I'm gonna finish taking that off and see what I can find as far as part numbers. To get this cover off, we got look like a 10mm there, one missing there, one missing there, one up there, one over there, and that cover should come down. Let me get it 10mm. I got the cover down. I had one more bolt there that joined the two sides. So looks like we have a line here that's possibly leaking. Trying to figure out what some kind of part number or something is on it. And you can see the leak from the hose there. Looks like it had this little squeeze clamp on it, and somebody switched and put this clamp here on it. I don't see a number on the dang thing though. The 99 V70. This car has unfortunately gone through a rebuilt transmission. Not sure how long it was in there, but it seemed to be somewhat of a hack job. It's gone out, so Thomas ordered one from a reputable supplier, put it in, and we're servicing the fluid in it. Then we'll take it for a test drive. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.